Hello everyone and welcome back to the rmlabgh channel. Today I bring you a true must-have project for anyone starting out with Arduino, a fully working traffic light using red, yellow and green LEDs. It is one of those simple but incredibly powerful projects because it immediately teaches you how digital outputs work, how to turn pins on and off, and how to manage timing with the delay function without freezing everything. The materials list is really short and cheap. Any Arduino board you have, Uno, Nano, Mini, anything works. 3 classic LEDs, red, yellow and green. 3 220 or 330 ohm resistors, both values are perfectly fine. A breadboard so you do not have to solder anything, and a handful of jumper wires. Wiring is a breeze. I will show you every connection on screen so you cannot go wrong. Red LED to digital pin 13 through its resistor, yellow to pin 12, green to pin 11, and then connect all the shorter legs, the cathodes, together and bring them to the Arduino GND pin. That is it, the circuit is ready in under 2 minutes. For the code I will not make you type everything line by line. I have already prepared the complete, clean and fully commented sketch. You will find the direct download link in the description below. Just open the Arduino IDE, load the sketch, hit upload, and in a few seconds the magic begins. The traffic light will start cycling with a realistic sequence, red on for several seconds, then green, a short yellow, and the cherry on top, a quick yellow blinking effect before switching back to red, exactly like real street traffic lights. It looks amazing on your desk. It is perfect for a small diorama, a model railway layout, or simply to impress your friends with how easy it is to create something cool with Arduino. So grab your components, follow the wiring you are seeing right now, let us upload the code together and watch this traffic light come to life. Here we go. Alright guys, now let's connect everything. Take the USB cable, plug it into the Arduino, first click, done, and then into the computer. Perfect. Now open the Arduino IDE that you already have installed. Go straight to the Tools menu, click Board and make sure you've selected the right one, in my case Arduino Uno, but if you're using a Nano or a Mega that's totally fine, just pick the board you actually connected. Right after that, still under Tools Port, select the COM port or /dev/tty USB 0 on Linux that just appeared now that the Arduino is plugged in. It's usually the newest one at the bottom of the list. If you don't see it, just unplug and plug the cable again, it will pop up for sure. Everything is ready. Now let's upload the code. First click the verify button, the green check mark. The IDE checks for syntax errors. Look, done compiling, everything is good. Now hit upload, the arrow on the right. See the progress bar at the bottom and the TX/RX LEDs on the Arduino blinking like crazy. That means the code is being transferred. It only takes a few seconds and done. Upload complete, perfect. Look at the breadboard now, the traffic light starts immediately. Red stays on for a few seconds, then green, short yellow, back to red with that nice yellow blinking effect before stopping, exactly like real traffic lights. The LEDs are super bright. I know they create some flare and reflections on camera, but trust me, live it looks even better and it works 100% perfectly. You've just built a fully working traffic light with a few lines of code and components that cost literally a couple of euros. Isn't that awesome? Okay guys, a single traffic light was just the warm-up, and now we're building something that really looks impressive, a complete double traffic light system. 2 full semaphores working against each other exactly like at a real intersection. When one side is green, the other is red, proper yellow phases, and the classic 3 blink yellow at the end. It looks insanely realistic. Here's what you'll need. Same Arduino board as before, Uno, Nano, Mega, anything works. 6 LEDs in total, 2 red, 2 yellow, 2 green. 6 220 or 330 ohm resistors, 1 for each LED. A larger breadboard, at least 800 minus 830 holes, because with 12 wires the small one gets messy. Plenty of color jumper wires, red for red LEDs, yellow for yellow, green for green, black or blue for ground. You'll thank me later. Wiring is super simple, it's literally the same circuit repeated twice. First traffic light left side /min road. Red right arrow pin 13. Yellow right arrow pin 12. green right arrow pin 11, Second traffic light right side / crossing road. Red right arrow pin 10. Yellow right arrow pin 9. Green right arrow pin 8. All the short legs cathodes go together on one row and then just one single wire to any GNT on the Arduino super clean. 3 quick pro tips while you wire. 1. Leave a few empty rows between the 2 semaphores so they are clearly visible on camera. 2. Try to keep all resistors on the same side, it looks much more symmetrical and professional. 3. Use colored wires that match the LEDs, you'll never get lost again. Once everything is connected, 5 minutes, 7 minutes max, we're ready for the code. I've prepared a clean, fully commented sketch that does a real-world intersection sequence. 8 seconds green for the main road plus steady red for the crossing road. 3 seconds yellow. 1 full second both red the safety, all red interval real traffic lights use. Then 8 seconds green the other way. 3 seconds yellow. 1 second both red again. And right before going red, the yellow blinks 3 times exactly like the ones you see every day on the street. For now we're using simple delay functions, but the code is already split into functions so it will be extremely easy to switch to non-blocking mirrors later when we add buttons or sensors. The complete sketch is ready. Direct download link in the description, no typing needed. Open it in Arduino IDE, double check board and port, verify upload, and in less than 10 seconds both traffic lights will come alive perfectly synchronized. Live it looks absolutely stunning, the brightness, the timing, the yellow blinking, everyone who sees it thinks it's way more complicated than it really is. With less than €5 total you've just built a real intersection on your desk. In the future we can go crazy pedestrian button with walk sign, count and displays, light sensor for night mode, sounds, but for today just grab your parts. Follow the step-by-step wiring I'm showing on screen right now, upload the code, and get ready to be blown away when you see your full 4-way intersection come to life. You're going to love it. Alright guys, wiring is done, everything looks neat, all 6 LEDs are in place. Now comes my favorite part, let's upload the second sketch and watch our double traffic light come to life. Go down to the description, click the second link called Double Traffic Light for code, download the Uno file and open it with Arduino IDE. I've already prepared it, completely commented and ready to go, no typing required. As soon as the sketch opens, do the 2 usual things. 1. Tools right arrow, board right arrow, make sure the correct Arduino model is selected, Nano, Mega, whatever you actually have connected. 2. Tools right arrow, port right arrow, select the port that appeared when you plugged in the USB cable on Linux, usually /disk/tty USB 0 or ACN 0, on Windows COM3, COM4, etc. If you don't see it, just unplug and plug the cable again, it will show up instantly. Everything ready? First click the verify button, the green checkmark top left, the IDE compiles the code, you see the progress bar filling up. Done compiling, perfect, no errors. Now hit upload the arrow right next to it. Watch the TX and RX LEDs on the Arduino blinking like crazy, that means the sketch is being transferred, it only takes 6 to 8 seconds. And upload complete. Now look at the breadboard, here we go! The double traffic light starts immediately. Main road green for 8 seconds, crossing road steady red. 3 seconds yellow. 1 second both red, the safety phase. Then it switches, the other road goes green, yellow, both red again, and right at the end of yellow you get the 3 quick blinks before going red, exactly like real city traffic lights. It looks absolutely spectacular live, perfect timing, bright LEDs, everything synchronized to the millisecond. You now have a real working intersection on your desk built with just 6 LEDs, a few wires and an Arduino. If yours is working perfectly too, drop a quick double works in the comments, I love seeing that. That's all for today. If you like the project, please leave a like, subscribe and hit the bell. Drop a comment if your double traffic light works. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.